Hey guys, welcome back to my channel guys. We're started. Today we are going to be doing a fidget video, another fidget. So, I'm going to post, sorry if my hair looks all wet. Hey Mum, my nose is really bad. I blew it like 2 seconds ago. I'm gonna be doing which one first? Itty buddy bird, catch it, tie the toe. If you're out, itty buddy bird. Looks like we're doing this one. So I got this one yesterday. My mum got it for me. Where did you get this one?
Toy shop. You go buy an SSC.
Okay, I'll be back. What's that? What's this? Do you have a bed anywhere?
Have you fed Maggie down?
No. Sorry guys. I got this one from the toy shop. Don't know what it was called. Was it called the toy shop? Okay. It was called the toy shop in Toronto.
Takes toys.
Takes toys. So it has like a... Okay, maybe.
Yeah.
Did I wake you up this time? Pink colour.
And Izzy.
It's got like pink slime in it. I woke up
Oh
at
no,
6.
you didn't wake me up in the night. That was the night.
No, I only look a little baggy since I woke up at 6. So this one is stretchy. This is just for like every fidget I have. I have 2 other fidgets, which are in my bag. And I wasn't scared.
Oh, okay.
And I watched it. I played it, but I didn't wake you up. So can I play it again? Since I didn't wake you up last time.
I don't really like the blood game. You know that.
It's so much fun. You get young. Do you get Lamborghinis, Esther? Do you get Lamborghinis? Okay.
I'd rather not, no.
This is just my fidget thing. I'm just gonna do a video. Actually, no, I'm just gonna do, cause that's my first fidget. That wasn't the first fidget I got. I think first ever fidget I got was one in those are just like toys.
I don't like blood games.
It's very stretchy. So I love that one. I was playing with it all day yesterday. Next one I got from the exact same shop is just like all these stress balls. It didn't come with like the wire around it, like the mesh. So
Oh, how you doing there? Oh, what's it now?
Yeah, I'm the same.
and then if I do this,
C
yeah,
I
yeah,
A
yeah,
N
yeah.
T.
It looks like a pimple. Pop. I could play with this all day long. These toys. So this one is like an anxiety ball, isn't it, Mum? Like a stress anxiety ball. So it's that one. This one's probably like a just a squishy ball that you can just play with. It makes a sound, but this one, when you let go, it kind of makes like a weird sound. So I love this one. Yeah. I love this one.
Mum, is this good?
There we go, there we go, there we go.
Away from the giant.
Mm.
This is good because
Yeah.
look how much people are playing too.
Yes, isn't that lovely?
There we go. So I love this one. Next one I ever got. Oh no! First one I ever got was this puppet. I'm gonna get it all on the side. Otherwise, that makes a lot of noise.
What's that dog?
My boy. My girl.
Her.
No.
Thanks.
My
Sorry.
other girl.
That's that one I love. This puppet. I love it.
Want to show the snaps for breakfast?
So, this was the first one I ever got. I got it off
Yeah, I know.
last,
Yeah.
about,
Loves a snap in the morning.
not even a week ago. I didn't get these any a week ago. So, it's just good for popping. If you don't know the popper game, go search it up. And there's like this little video with the yellow puppet. And then your video, that's where I like the game. And then I had to convince my mum that there was actually a game. Did you hear that, Mum?
Mm-hmm.
Good. So this is just like to play with. It's super duper fun. I love it. Now next one we've all been waiting for. Not all of you have been waiting for, but some people have been waiting for. Is this puppet? Simple and simple. So, I don't know if I've done a video with this. I'm not sure. Those two. Yeah, I've done a video with these. But if you haven't seen that video, this is what you've been waiting for. So it's a purple and green fidget.